So, you've got this awesome new phone. Maybe it's a sleek Pixel, a powerful Samsung, or even that wild new foldable. You're excited to try out all the cool features, and then Neon just isn't working. Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of Neon glitches and figuring out exactly why it's misbehaving on your phone. Now, Neon, for those unfamiliar, is a revolutionary technology. Imagine AI avatars that look and sound incredibly realistic, capable of interacting with you in ways we've only seen in science fiction. It's mind-blowing stuff. But like any cutting-edge tech, there are bound to be some hiccups along the way. So, let's get to the heart of the matter. Why is Neon not working on your phone? Well, the reasons can vary wildly, and we're going to break down some of the most common culprits. Software glitches. This is probably the most frequent offender. Think of it like a tiny bug in the phone's operating system that's tripping up Neon. Solution. The good news is, software glitches often have simple fixes. Restart your phone, a classic for a reason. It can often clear out temporary glitches. Update your phone's software. Manufacturers constantly release updates that include bug fixes and performance improvements. Check for app updates. Make sure you're running the latest version of the Neon app. Insufficient resources. Neon is a resource-intensive application. Solution. Close background apps. Free up RAM by closing apps you're not actively using. Clear phone storage. Delete unused files, photos, and videos to free up space. Consider upgrading your phone. If your phone is older or has limited resources, it might struggle to run Neon smoothly. Network connectivity issues. Neon may require a stable internet connection for optimal performance. Solution. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure you're connected to a strong and reliable Wi-Fi network. Test your mobile data connection. If you're using mobile data, make sure you have a strong signal. Compatibility issues. Sometimes, there can be compatibility issues between the Neon app and specific phone models or operating systems. Solution. Visit the official Neon support page, check for known compatibility issues and any recommended workarounds. Contact Neon support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and troubleshoot the issue with you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.